how to open Edugena Pocket Watch. If you have this kind of watch and your battery is already runs out and you want to know how to open this is the way it is. So when I close this one, and I believe you already know, should be open at the back. But the thing is that there's nothing that have place to put it. So as you can see, there's no hole or something that can put it here. So do you know how to do it? So it's actually very simple, because when you feel there's nothing that can you put inside these things, it means that you can put in whatever place you want. Just fill it. Actually there's a notch here, in here too. So this cashback need to be put some screwdriver, or you have this is for the opening the watch case. You just put in here and push. So if you push it, then it will pop. If after you push it, you just slightly bend like that. Okay, so just find the place. Push it, push it, and then you hear the pop, and that will be the watch movement. Then change the clock, so it has the SL 927W. Then just change it, then put this, and then just push it with your hand. So that's how you change the battery inside this pocket watch. The Edugena watch. Thank you for watching. See you next time.